Roger that. SAPPHIRE. U.S. Coast Guard, the WS SAPPHIRE is on fire in the middle of the channel. Fort Corral.
Bay, Patapsco River, Mayday, Mayday. Coal vessel SAPPHIRE. Coal explosion, Patapsco River. Where is your GPS position? Over.
White boat. I've got something in my starboard wheel, but I'm headed that way in case I need assistance.
That SAPPHIRE.
0.521 north, 076.
Captain, how many persons are on board the vessel? Over. Coast Guard, this is a SAPPHIRE. We're taking water into hold number 2. The coal ship that reported the explosion is taking water into hold number 2. We're in the main channel of the Patapsco River, still afloat, still underway.
Roger, Captain. How many persons are on board your vessel? Over.
23 plus 2 pilots.
Roger, Captain. Can I get a description of your vessel? Over.
Hey, good afternoon, Coast Guard. This is the second pilot on board. I'm doing the radio communications for the primary pilot. 750 foot bulker, explosion in the number 2 hatch. Vessel slowing down at this time. What else do you need? You want to call on a phone?
Yes, sir. Pass along your phone number. I'm ready to copy.
8374.
Yeah, we're trying to figure out what's going on. Frank said he was on fire, and said he's carrying on. Clear it out.
The coal ship just came out of Curtis Bay. I'm assuming maybe they had a tank on the bow. They're keeping on good in it. But, yeah, that plane went above the mast and wider than the ship, and then it just burned out. It was pretty good. The ball of fire was as wide as a ship, but taller than the ship. I don't know what it was. It's a coal ship. I guess it could have had a little explosion. I don't know. SAPPHIRE from the George. We're on our way out to you. Hello, all stations. This is U.S. Coast Guard, Sector 11CR. This is U.S. Coast Guard, Sector 11CR. Coast Guard urgent marine information broadcast. Break. 2230 Greenwich Mean Time, 0633 local time. The Coast Guard has received a report of a vessel collision with 2 fleet persons on board in position 39-13.52 north, 076-30.45 west, in vicinity of Bear Creek. All manners are requested to keep push-up boat house as best as possible and report all sightings and information to the nearest Coast Guard unit.